Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EURUSD. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again at euro currency. So you probably heard about the escalation in Syria right now. I have put some material on this subject in our weekly thread. Personally, I think that this action war was agreed between the sides. So I think that this is not occasional, and that is. There was some agreement between the United States coalition, Great Britain, France, and Russia. So I think that it was the planned action for resolving some economical and political objects that stands right now. And in a way, how this action have taken place, taking a look on the results of this attack, it seems that this is not was real serious attack. So that's just my suspicions, and I don't think that this will lead to far-going conclusions. Still, maybe in the beginning of the next week, dollar will have some support, because when in the period of the geopolitical tensions, demand for the not the gold, of course, the United States dollar could get some support, because in the period of some geopolitical tensions, the United States currency takes an advantage compared to other currencies, except maybe Swiss franc, the Japanese yen. So probably this will be some support to dollar, but probably it will not be very strong, because as I said, it was just taking a look at the result. 100 missiles have been launched, 70% has been put down, and no casualties. So I don't believe that the real strike from the coalition could bring such a result. So if you recall the Iraq and Libya action, it was absolutely different results and different scale of attack. So the thousands of missiles have been launched. Here is just 100 missiles, so it's nothing. It's something suspicious. Look here. It reminds me of the attack that has happened in 2017, also in April, to the Sherrod air base, and the 50 Tomahawks have been launched, but nobody knows where they landed. So they just have disappeared somewhere in the Syria space, because definitely not. They have not striked the air base. Something that this kind I see right now. Anyway, this is geopolitical. This is not really currently very interesting for us. We would like to understand what we will do in the beginning of the week. So last week, guys, as you can see, euro currency has spent mostly in some very tight range. We do not see big differences on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. It's mostly the picture stands the same. Here, guys, compared to our previous analysis, mostly it have been supported by the price action. So we've got the upward action that we have discussed, but still it was not really very significant. Currently, guys, on the daily chart, market is forming the triangle, and from the theoretical point of view, both scenarios as to the upward is possible as to the downward. So to the upward, you could say that it could become the butterfly here to the upside. Bears could say this could become the butterfly to the downside, right? But in relation to the longer term analysis, because situation mostly looks more bullish on the weekly chart, on the monthly chart, than bearish. That's why we'll be watching mostly for bullish signs on the intraday pictures. And our particular interest will be on how market responds to major intraday support level. If it will be able to hold upon it, that could become the halfway to starting of the upward rally. So maybe right from this point, strong action could be reestablished. Market indeed could start action right to our 126.15 target. So you could take a look by yourself. For this purpose, we need hourly chart. Recall what was said on Friday. We said that following the overall market mechanics, since this is the bullish reversal swing, downside retracement should be compounded, so it should take shape of some kind of the ABCD. When the market has hit the C point on Thursday, we said that probably, guys, not the reversal yet, and be prepared for another leg down. So, and it has started here. But yesterday it has stopped here and has not got the continuation. Still, it's overall shape that you could keep an eye on. The butterfly buy is possible here. And this butterfly will bring a lot of advantage for us. So lots of different targets will be completed here. First of all, our compounded retracement will happen. Second, 2284, recall what we have talked about for our time frame chart. So guys, I will just take out all this mess on the here we do not need it. Recall what we talked about 2485. Here is low, kind of the not quite head and shoulders, of course, but still significant leg. But still some harmony will exist with these levels. Market will retest it. This is second issue. Third, here will be a rather solid support area, guys. So we will get the bullish reversal patterns, butterfly 127 target, right around fib level, and also we will get this ABC top COP targets also agrees with the same level. So that's very good area for us, because if we suggest that if we will be wrong and market after will continue move down and erase all this bullish setup that we have right now, the first touch probably should trigger the response, and that is what we will need to. So because in this response you could try to take the position, and your position will be protected by the strength of this support. When the first response will start, at the first touch, response will start, you could move stops to the break-even and just watch what will happen. If upward action will be, indeed will start, this butterfly could take the shape of the hand and shoulders, so it could become left shoulder, head, retracement, right shoulder, and upward action could be established. If market after that will start dropping further, well, you will lose nothing, because you will use this support strength just to protect your position. That's why this area is suitable. Maybe overall setup is not as attractive as something that we saw previously on other markets with our long-term cooperation, long-term journey on the financial markets. But guys, currently on euro currency, I do not see something else. So that's actually the only setup that we have right now. And it mostly corresponds to the geopolitical situation, because dollar in the current situation probably will get some support. And that could lead to this leg down that we could get on Monday open. This could happen. So I think that why not? Maybe this step is not really bad, and just keep an eye on what will happen.